V&M Erectors has completed approximately 20 structural steel bridges as part of the I-595 Express Corridor Improvements Project. The I-595 project involves the reconstruction of the I-595 mainline, as well as improvements to frontage roads and ramps from the I-75 Sawgrass Expressway interchange to the I-595 and I-95 interchange. V&M Erectors' role consisted of the erection and installation of structural steel bridges, rebar, plate girders, steel tub girders, integral pier caps, both concrete and steel, SIP decking, and shear studs. In addition, the environment required attention to traffic flow on busy highways while building flyovers, braided connectors, and express lanes over active and busy highways. The V&M Erectors team completed much of the work at night to avoid the disruption of daytime traffic. Additionally, on the bridge at the intersection of Pine Island Road and I-595, which consisted of plate girders with concrete integral pier caps, V&M Erectors was able to help the contractor meet an accelerated milestone by engineering and furnishing all of the shoring for the concrete integral pier caps, as well as for the concrete bridge deck and the structural beams. Since V&M Erectors was able to furnish the shoring from our extensive inventory of materials, we were able to eliminate the need to order materials from a steel fabricator, and thus drastically reduce the amount of time needed to erect the shoring towers. In addition to providing the shoring, V&M Erectors erected and installed the structural steel, SIP decking, rebar, and shear studs, as well as erected and furnished the falsework utilized to complete the entire project. A particularly challenging aspect of the project was the erection of a tub girder bridge over a waterway. Two segments cantilevering over either side of the waterway had to be set in tandem with the middle segment, which spans the waterway. Because of the limited workspace and the nature of the design, V&M Erectors had to set 3 segments at once. We used 3 cranes, one 800-ton crane, one 550-ton crane, and one 250-ton crane, to do the 3 lifts simultaneously. On one shoreline, the 550-ton all-terrain crane lifted a 97-foot beam weighing 169,000 pounds at a radius of 40 feet. On the other shore, the 800-ton all-terrain crane lifted a 104-foot beam weighing 169,000 pounds at a radius of 95 feet. The 250-ton crawler crane lifted a 48-foot beam weighing 93,530 pounds at a radius of 45 feet. All 3 segments were lifted and moved into place in one synchronous operation by V&M Erectors' expert team of steel erectors.